Hello and welcome to Wordpress tutorials. In today's video I'm going to show you how to place recent post widget on your website or in your sidebar. Currently you are looking at my page that this recent post widget is not as attractive or as I required for my website, and I want to place a beautiful image, title, date or some excerpt, and also I will show you how to customize the recent post widget. Okay, now let's start and come to the admin section. Click on come to your dashboard and click on plugins, add new. In the add new plugin page, come here and type recent posts extended and press enter. In the plugin list, look for recent post widget extended by Satria and click on install now. Click on activate. After activating this plugin, there is no special menu in the tools or settings tab, so you will have to click on appearance and widgets. Here in the main sidebar, you will have to add the widget from recent post extended plugin. So let's find which one is for that plugin. Recent post extended. Okay, here it is. This specific widget is added by the plugin we just added. Come to your main sidebar and place it where you want it and save this widget, and out of the box it will look like this. Come to front end and refresh the page. As you can see, now the recent post is much better than our previous one. Okay, I have the fixed widget plugin installed, so I'll also check that fixed widget and save it. Refresh the page. Okay, now you can see that it looks much better than the old recent post widget, and I can still customize the size of the thumbnail, the size of title, date, and I also can include some excerpt. I'll show you within a couple of minutes. Okay, first of all, I want to increase the size of this thumbnail. Come to your dashboard and in the widget section for this specific widget, you can change the thumbnail size from here. Currently it's 45 by 45. Let's change it to 50 by, or let's say 65 by 65, and currently it's on the left, so I'll keep it there and click on save. Come to the front end and refresh. Now you can see the thumbnail size is much more than the old one, and it's working for me like this. Okay, now I will not change the title size or the date. I will just add some excerpt and let's see what it looks like. Come to your dashboard specific widget section and display excerpt. Click on display excerpt, and the length of excerpt is 10. I'll keep it like this. Also I'll add the display read more button, and this will be the text for read more, but I'll just leave this for the read more text. Click save. Come to the front end and refresh the page. Now it looks a lot different. You can see that there is some excerpt and there is a read more button next to each post. You can also go to the specific post by clicking on the thumbnail or the title, and now there is a read more button as well. Okay, for this I want to remove the date from here, so come to the admin section again, uncheck the display date and click on save. Let's check. Okay, now the date is not there, and also I want to increase the size of the thumbnail so it fits exactly um, uh, here up to the text. So click on this and let's change it to 80 or 60 by 80, so it will be a little bit rectangular shape, and click on save, refresh the page. Okay, the size is now changed, but I wanted the opposite. I wanted 65 width and 80 height, so let's reverse that. 80 height and 60 width, and save changes, refresh again. Okay, now this is going close, but it is still not perfect because my excerpt size is not what I wanted. I'll reduce my excerpt size and also reduce a little bit height. So excerpt size to be 8 and the thumbnail size to be 75. Let's save it. Now it looks perfect for me, but there are a lot of more options. You can add your custom CSS. You will just have to uncheck the default style and then add your CSS in this box. And also I'll go with the default style. You can also change the main title of the widget, the sticky post, ignore, exclude current post, post types. You can include pages, templates, products, and any post type you want to show in your recent post widget. And there is also a placeholder image. For example, if your one of your posts do not have the image, the thumbnail, then it will use this image by default as a placeholder. And there are a lot of options. You can change the number of posts to show. So that was all for today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.